Russia said Wednesday that 694 Ukrainian soldiers blocked at the Azovstal plant in Mariupol have surrendered over the past 24 hours, including 29 wounded. According to the Russian Defense Ministry, a total of 959 militants have surrendered since May 16, including 80 wounded. It added that 51 of them are in need of medical assistance and have been admitted to a hospital in Donetsk's Novoizovsk for treatment. The soldiers began to surrender on Monday following an agreement reached between Moscow and Kiev on the evacuation of wounded Ukrainian soldiers. On Wednesday, Russia announced to expel diplomats from France, Spain, and Italy in response to the earlier expulsion of Russian diplomats from the 3 European countries. The Russian Foreign Ministry said Russia has declared 34 French diplomats, 27 Spanish diplomatic staff, and 24 Italian diplomats persona non grata. According to the U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken on Wednesday, the U.S. reopened its embassy in Ukraine 3 months after it ceased operation in anticipation that Russia would launch a military operation in the country. The Secretary said the United States will continue to support the government and people of Ukraine as they defend their country in the ongoing conflict with Russia.